Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relations and Function Exercise 1.3 question number 3. In that we have two subdivision. We need to find G composite F and F composite G. If f of x is equal to modulus x and g of x is equal to modulus 5x minus 2. Let me take the first one. Here we need to find, we have f of x to be mod x and g of x as mod 5x minus 2. We need to find G composite F. G composite F can be written as G of f of x. Here the second one should be written as f of x. Yeah, if with the x, that is, let me explain you. I am having one number of g of x is equal to mod x minus 2. If I take x to be 2, what you will do? If I take x to be 2, you will substitute x value here, x value 2 here. So it becomes g of 2 is equal to mod 5 into 2 minus 2. So whatever number we have in the bracket, whatever value we have in the bracket, we just substitute in the place of that. In the place of x, we substitute the value here. See here, we have g of f of x, that is in the bracket of g, we have f of x means we are going to substitute the value f of x in the place of x. If you substitute here, we need to also substitute it inside. If we substitute 2 here, we also substitute 2 inside. So the same way, here we have f of x, just substitute the value of f of x in both the g of x. So to find this, g of, just substitute the value here, it becomes g of f of x is equal to, here also 5 into f of x minus 2, because here we have g, instead of x we have f of x, so instead of f of x, instead of f of x. Now we know the value of f of x is equal to mod x, so we can take f of x to be mod x. So phi of mod x minus 2 is your value for g dot f. Now this will be your first subdivision. We'll move on to the second one. Second one, they have given f of x to be 8x cube and g of x to be x power 1 by 3. Now we need to find f dot g. I'll find it later. Let me finish the second part now. Here we need to find g of f, that is g circle f. We can write this to be g of f of x. Now g of f of x means, as I told before, instead of x we have f of x. So instead of x, write f of x. Instead of write f of x, so f of x the whole power 1 by 3. F of x, we know the value of f of x is 8x cube. So 8x cube the whole power 1 by 3. Substitute it inside, the value power inside. So it becomes 1 by 3 x cube into 1 by 3. Here it get cancelled. This can be written as 2 cube. Doing prime factorization, we know that 8 is nothing but 2 power 3 into 1 by 3. Yeah, this 2 get cancelled. So it becomes 2x. So we need to find f dot g or f circle g. This is equal to f of, the second one is g of x. Only the after composite we need to take that element to be g of x or whatever it is given, the second one as with x. Now in the place of x we have g of x, f of x. Instead of f of x we have g of x. Just substitute the value g of x here. Same way we need to substitute it here. So f of g of x is nothing but 8 into g of x the whole cube. We know the value of g of x here, which is nothing but 8x power 1 by 3 into 3. This get cancelled and becomes 8x. So for f circle g we have the value 8x. In the first subdivision we have forgot to find f circle g. So let me go with the first subdivision. We have f of x to be mod x and g of x to be mod 5x minus 2, we need to find f circle g. F circle g is nothing but f of g of x. Now f of g of x is nothing but, in the place of x we have f, in the place of x we have g of x, so just write g of x here. In the place of x write g of x. So g of x value we know it is mod 5x. Here this mod I have written it here, we have instead of g of x mod 5x minus 2. So it is mod of mod 5x minus 2 is your final answer for the first subdivision f dot g. That's all with the sum. Thank you.